At what internal temperature should I remove the chicken from the oven?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle an essential question for every home cook and chicken lover out there. At what internal temperature should I remove the chicken from the oven? Ensuring your chicken is cooked properly is crucial not only for taste but for safety as well.
Why is checking the internal temperature important?
Food safety is a priority in every kitchen. Undercooked chicken may contain harmful bacteria, including salmonella, that can lead to foodborne illnesses. On the other hand, overcooked chicken tends to be dry and less tasty. So, getting the right internal temperature means a delicious, juicy chicken that's also safe to eat.
The ideal internal temperature for chicken.
The U.S. Food Safety and Inspection Service recommends that chicken, regardless of whether it's a whole chicken, breasts, thighs, wings, or ground chicken, should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's safely cooked.
When to check the chicken's internal temperature?
You should start checking the temperature a few minutes before the completion of the cooking time recommended in your recipe. Insert a food thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, avoiding bones, to get an accurate reading. Once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, you can remove the chicken from the oven.
Let it rest.
Even after you take the chicken out of the oven, it's not time to eat just yet. Let it rest for a few minutes. During this time, the juices will redistribute throughout the chicken, making it even more tender and tasty. But don't worry, the internal temperature will still remain above the safe threshold for a few minutes, ensuring it's safe to eat. Cooking chicken to the right internal temperature isn't just about achieving a great taste, but it's also about ensuring the safety of your food. Remember, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, is the magic number. Happy cooking, everyone! I hope you found this video helpful, and here's to many delicious, perfectly cooked chicken dishes in your future.